know up all is well. Today video is going to be on Foota Hype, and Foota Hype is asking Honorable Andrew Holness to send him his phone number so he can call him and speak to him directly, so he can tell him what to do with certain things that's going on in Jamaica. And being that he is top social media viral king, most famous artist out of sorry for laugh, but I feel it's a Foota Hype for yourself. This is Foota Hype or something else.
Tag onto all this right now. Everybody tag onto all this right now. Right now. More. Everybody tag onto fucking all this right now. Sorry for the bother. Everybody tag Andrew Holness. Me not continue to tag Andrew Holness. Tag Andrew Holness. Everybody please tag Andrew Holness, please. Please tag Andrew Holness right now. Watch how people in afraid to tag Andrew Holness. How would they ask like this? Tag the Prime Minister of Jamaica right now. Everybody want to tag him, want them see it. That's why I make sure come on at this time when we know saying eat lunch already and him will relax. Tag Andrew Holness. Tag Andrew Holness right now. Right now. All labor right to pay attention. All PNP to pay attention. Right now. Right now. Alright, somebody tell me to talk, you must see it. Alright. If you never see it live, then I'll record it and tell you. Take off my glasses. I want him to see me eye and see how serious it is. See? Remember me have the black one of this, right? I buy the white one now. You know what I mean? You go knock off straight from China. See? So all I want buy the $900 Versace glasses and the Louis V them got going, you know. China, my thing there. Anyway, hear me say now. First thing more, I just Andrew, come on and get this out of the way. I don't have a phone number for you, Andrew Holness. That need to stop. I need to have your number. So when me I talk to you, and everything me have to come public. But in the meantime, me have to talk to you, yes sir. Because for some reason, politicians, not only you, in the big chair them, feel like they can't link a street man with power. See? On need to understand what is going on a street level. Stop sitting in on a big chair, think on the know what going on, talk to two little gunmen when I really have no sense, and talk to two people around one corner. See? Good. No. There's a Foota not qualified, true. Then I hit me and tell about politician that think say regular street man qualified to call them phone and talk to them. I'm going to fucking change that today. Sorry for the bother. Me I got to change that today. Because I got to pretend right now like me I talk to the Prime Minister himself. Because of that level them want to reach and it going to happen. Andrew, you need to send your personal number where me you can chat. Me not record them, me not send out your voice note, me not do none of that. Because professional business we are dealing. We have to get the country under control, brother. You can't do it. The people that you hear from and the advice them you get not working. Your advisors need to lose their job. Big man thing. I mean, now reach out to you as a PNP. May I reach out to you as a Jamaican. Alright? First thing, we get some disturbing message from my phone. See? About Kingston Public Hospital. See? Very disturbing. Ear-white disturbing. A man of his mother down there in the hospital on the bed. She live on ventilation. She sick bad. The man send money, go give his mother. She have in her bag. So that means if anything, she can have money to buy a little thing what she want or any little emergency, she have a thing for her. Them send her phone go here so them can video call her and them something. See? The phone charge fully charged, but she have an external charger where she put the extra battery pad and charge the phone. Now, there are no visitors allowed on the ward with the woman there. So hungry workers go up on the ward there. How are this? How are the blood clot this? Anyway, Sorry for you, bad word again, and Holness. My respect. So only workers are allowed on the ward. Not even our family can go visit her. See? You know, say, them going at the woman bag, thief the woman money, and thief the charger, because she wrap up the phone in some clothes and thing, and put it under the bottom of the bag. So that means, she alone knows the phone in the bag. See? So them come to Bam now and thief the woman money and thief her charger. See? Now, the man, when mother upon the hospital bed, terrifying in that. The way I'm angry right now, if him find out that who him gonna pay somebody to kill them. Cause it's so annoying for me to say. You gonna rob somebody upon him sick bed bedroom. Alright, European Gaza. I'm gonna tell the people you work for Andrew and everything. But don't come over here with a disruptive stuff because I mentioned Andrew name and try to disrupt everything and cause confusion. We will block your brother. See? Remember, so I'm not frightened. Me will block you. And me and you know you work for Andrew. That does not mean when you hear truth and right attack, you're going to come over here and act like you want to counteract everything even when it is reality. It's wickedness. Now, the concern is how we're going to find the culprit now. We need camera up on the ward them. For years, people are going to hospital and kill people. People are going to hospital and rob people. We need camera up on the ward them. Functional camera there. My you may not call no hospital authorities. Which part they going to reach? Okay. European guys, because you want to prove like you know everything all the time. Okay. Rather me calling hospital authorities or calling the powers that be that govern hospital authorities, which I think make more sense. If Andrew pick up his phone and say, hospital authorities, I want me hear Foota talk about that have a fix. Same time it fix. Foota call hospital authorities, them know say me I know them boss. I know them the boss me I talk to them. I tell them, say, sir, you have to file a complaint and write up this and write up that. Me not depend that. Andrew want to hear this. Andrew want to hear. Me not deal with foot of snake or tail of snake. At the head of the snake we are talk to. You hear that? So, if you don't understand what I say European Gaza, if you won't do that, then what kind of prime minister he is then? Then if you're not hear the cry of the people, where you talk about then? If you work for Andrew and work for Jamaica Labour Party and say him not gonna do that, then what kind of leader if you're not hear the cry of the people? That me I talk about. Andrew have to fix this. For years, discrepancies are going on at the hospital them dog. Zine, for years. We need camera up on the ward them. So that means when situation like this, when a sick woman up on our bed, lose our money. For one incident, European guys are gonna block you now, yeah? I'm gonna block you. Yeah. Big man thing. Cause yeah, upset me, I don't want upset. I don't want upset when me talk to the Prime Minister. Zine? Yeah. I block him. So people that have somebody will work with Andrew Holness. I'm not gonna tell you what him do for Andrew Holness, but he work for Andrew Holness, says he's in defense of everything, even when he looks stupid. Zine? What me I say now is how long we are here gunman going to hospital go kill people? How long we are here thief going to hospital? How long we are here so the worker them? Zine? How long we are here so the worker them a thief, the patient them things? No. If we have camera on every ward, we don't have to have this problem. We would not have that problem. Because now this lady a complain, so them thief her charger and thief her money out of her bag, would not have to come on social media attack. Because all you do go back this morning, press rewind on the video and watch the video and see who going in the woman bag. Am I wrong or right? Am I wrong or right? Am I wrong or right? Me just wonder if I'm wrong or right, you know. If patients need privacy, me like that suggestion that you put up. Say patients need privacy. That's why them have the cloth around the bed where you draw the cloth around the bed. You understand? When the people them a teeth out the patient's thing and a privacy time, that's when the patient them asleep. So when them are gonna bathe the patient or wipe up the patient or change the patient pampers and them something you draw the curtain, but you still I gonna see I wish nurse did go clean the patient. So if the patient lose them thing within that time where the curtain they draw, we know say you did it wrong there, Virgin. So I must you know where the woman something them there and you lock them up or fire them. But not knowing who did the crime, you gotta keep the person there at work and them keep doing the same thing. Remember, so when I talk to an idiot, you know. Remember, so when I talk to somebody that high IQ, me not stupid, you know. So when I gonna put up a patient need privacy, that not work either. We know who last going to the private area for the patient. So if it misses during that time, is you. You understand what I'm saying? So that's my suggestion to Mr. Andrew Holness. We have to do better with these facilities, my friend. If you are going to say you are the best prime minister, you do the more. These things have been problematic for decades. I don't know this has happened. See? I don't know this has happened. It has happened over the years. And that's why sometimes you have crime. Because if the man go here now, I wish nurse, all when I lie, did I work on thief him other things. The man gonna just pay for a man kill her. I just hear say a Jamaica the nurse they dead. And when I was say, Jesus man go kill the woman some man. Gee, I what she could have do so. You understand what I say? So we now have a discussion for who are labor right or PNP or me I can defend this time here PNP. No. We defend the normal common rights of the human. We are dealing with human rights like the patient. Remember some of the patients them can't hold on for nobody and keep them weak out. Some of them they see a thief them thing and can't stop you. Cause them weak out, them sick. You understand what I say, Virgin? So we have to make sure that these facilities are equipped to take care of these kind of situations. You understand what I say? So when Europe guys are come here create animosity, my youth, sometimes even if you have somebody a friend and them dead wrong, all you have to do is quiet and look at your friend and say, dog, stop cussing the money around. But you can't run out there blatantly defend your friend when obviously it looks stupid. We have to be sensible about this thing. You understand what I say? We have to start pay attention. Anyway, that's the first issue, Mr. Andrew. It's coming up a lot of issues for you today. I'm not reaching out to you, Mr. Holness, in a disrespectful manner. I'm reaching out to you not even as a regular citizen, because I am not a regular citizen of Jamaica. I am a superstar. I am a public figure, and I am a dominant person in the information sector of social media and public awareness. Me no normal. So, I am reasoning with you because I don't have a number for you. So I don't want you to say, why am I going on social media? And the labor right them say, oh, you're going on social media. European guys are regular, me tell him, say, I need to talk to the Prime Minister himself. Me no want to chat to Uno. I want to chat to the Prime Minister himself. And then insist on not allowing me to dialogue with the Prime Minister. See? So, me continue have to do it that way, yeah. See? So, me have to do it that way until you realize, say, Foota know a whole heap of things and him have a whole heap of ideas that might be helpful. Now, I'm seeing bits and pieces of a speech where I talk about the music and the influence of the music towards the violence in Jamaica. You gave praises to Chronix and say you listen to Chronix and everything. Very, very good. Chronix is a good artist. Chronix message in our music is very powerful. May accept that. What I won't accept, Mr. Andrew Holness, Zine, what I'm not going to accept is you showing the blame at the content of certain music, saying that is responsible for the crime and the rise of crime in Jamaica. Until the politicians of Jamaica start taking some blame for the violence and the heightened violence in Jamaica. Dancehall now go take that blame there now. The gunman lyrics them now go take that blame there now. You understand? The gunman lyrics, yes, we will take blame, but the politician them have to take blame first. When I say politician them, I mean you alone and Lisa Anna alone and Bunting alone and them and Mr. Golden, not just Uno. We are talking about from before Uno. It starts from before Uno. It starts from in the 70s and it rises to the heights in the 80s. Remember, 80 election is one of the bloodiest. Them time the Skilly Bang na bus, Fully Bad na bus, Massacre na bus. You understand? I say Bunty na bus, Beanie na bus, Cartel never bust them time there, Movado never bust them time there. And we'd have ridiculous gun violence and mayhem and murder. Then, decades ago, when politicians, your peers, because I'm not going to just say you, but I blame all of you. It's like I don't want to blame dancehall for the crime, I blame all of you. Uno, enforce, empower strong men in both political fractions with guns and bulletproof and all kind of weaponry to secure territory and votes. I have yet to see one politician ever come forward and say we take responsibility for the destructive acts that we have done that are now present in the society. I've never heard that. I've never seen a politician come on in the House of Parliament and say, Speaker of the House, politicians are responsible for a percentage of the crime that is plaguing our inner city communities because politicians have funded dons, era leaders, provided weaponry, provided strategy, and have been responsible for multiple amount of funerals and deaths of both guilty and innocent people in these areas. Which politician ever did that? When has that ever been done? But you already know, Andrew, to jump up and go up on your podium and denounce the music and the content of the music. But you don't remember, say, it's the spill off of the guns in the community that causes these artists to have these contents to put in the song because it's a part of their day-to-day life that politicians created. So don't start in at the middle of the problem. Start at the beginning of the problem. How did these guns come into these inner city communities? In these poor, volatile communities, how did these sophisticated guns get there? When I go get up and say, people from foreign ship gun. At one point, them people couldn't ship no gun. When it start back in the days, because me the man and I argue from Migla story, you know. We argue from the beginning. From the beginning of the story. How did these guns get distributed into the street? Tell me. Because the youth now have a visa and they have a bicycle. Them time they have light. Them time they when want somebody have TV in the era, everybody has piled up at the yard there watching TV in a black and white. And TV sign off 12 o'clock. When 1980 election, me not born yet. Me born 81. Me born right after the mayhem. Cause God sent me to make a change. But what I'm saying, where them shot at it, where the jungle man them and the TG man them and the backwall man them and the Painland man them and the whole of them that era there, get the gun them from. Them time they get a visa come like, you get a Grammy award. Some of them never have no visa neither. Where the gun them coming here? Talk to me, man, Andrew. Talk to me now, please. Talk to me. So, when you are going to get up and go up on your podium in the House of Parliament and blame dancehall lyrics for the surge in crime, you're out of order, Andrew, man. You're rude. We not accept that, brother. We don't know which idiot are going to accept that in the music. I mean, some people are talking about that. Andrew talking shit. No disrespect, Mr. Prime Minister, because I really rate you. But I don't rate what you do. I don't rate what you do. I mean, I go turn on one YouTube or Instagram and hide my face and talk. No, I talk to you as a human being, as a man to a next man. Because despite you are the Prime Minister, you are a human. And you know, say, you punch below the belt when you come and try blame dancehall lyrics. See, the violence we are going. The youth, them are product of them environment. The youth, them are product of them environment. When we grew up, when I grew up, we didn't have a bicycle. If you have a bicycle now, you're rich, your people are rich. But we see gun everywhere. We see gun everywhere. R.I.P. for the cops them. We can't talk this now. Them man they have gone long time. Them man they a general long. Where get the gun from? Them man they never go foreign. Them man they come a foreign when me boss. Them man they come a foreign when we are big man. And from we little, we are see Tech 9 and a spin barrel and man a shoot police in them back here and shoot police in them side. Warrior go on. So what you say? Oh, you come blame the music. And the hypocrite them sit down and talk. But you hear what Andrew say? What if you tell Andrew say a fuckery matter? Sorry, I don't want to use a bad word. Sorry. Andrew, Mr. Andrew Owen, just sit with me, please, may I begin with that. Remember, I'm a street man, so I'm not really well trained on how enough getting on my emotion. You understand? But you're out of order, Mr. Prime Minister. You're very disrespectful and you're corrupt to even blame the music, God. You're corrupt to even blame the music. If we want to speak facts, right now, Zine, if we want to be realistic and be honest, since them locked down the music of Jamaica, the crime rate gone through the sky. If we want to be realistic and truthful and be honest, when you lock down the music, more people dead, more war gone, more thing happen. Because when we hate the music, we not see the beauty where music do. We not see the positive side of the music. So today, I am going to break down the ups and the downs of the crime because of how I treat the music. See? So make a reason. People, make a reason. Andrew is saying there's not enough positive music like what Chronics them sing and ting. Andrew, that is a lie. Go look how much album Turbulence have. Turbulence have over 25 albums. Go look how much album Sizzler have. Go look how much album Jamaican, all of the rest of them have. Why are we not hearing these songs? That's the big question. How are we not hearing the songs? You want to know why we not hear more songs like Chronic song them and them something there? When last Lucian I get a hit, you know how much album him have? I am going to break it down to you because you're talking to somebody who knows the music. These artists are singing righteous songs every day. I when them sing righteous song every day. Every reggae artist voice every day. But the song them now get played or promoted. Ask me why. Ask me why. Somebody say play them. Yes. We would love to play some of these positive songs. Zin? But look at this now. When you are in a country where the biggest distribution of reggae is dancehall, where dance keep, and you are going to minimize the playing of music to 12 o'clock during the week, 2 o'clock per weekend. How the hell you expect all of these positive music to go to the people them if they can't play? If you not lock the gate for music, or if you play, when a selector get him look half hour to play dog, him a go run go play skilly bang, crocodile teeth, or him play fully bad, or him play coyote when me nice at some go on, him a go play with hot. No, somebody, people all I wanna show on the fake page them, where you love money pull up too much. Everybody knows that money pull up is a part of the culture. What I'm saying to you is, when dance used to keep from, when dance I don't know, 5, 6 o'clock, and when you got to dance 3 o'clock, I still Lucian in your ear, I still Jamaica in your ear, you still a ear Welton Irie, you still a ear Sugar Minot, you still a ear all that positive music they would have play. All of the positive music them they have play till about 2:33. You start get some Fabi Dali and some Daddy Screw and some Pepper Seed. It's a build up. It's a build up. When you make the dance at like 12 o'clock during the week now, Andrew, and then a man left work 9 o'clock, go home, go look boy and pick them, run out to catch a vibe. When him come out at 11:30, him reach the dance, you know. When him reach the time there, you know, a Shabba man put a play, you know, I know underway by Dexter and they add something them, you know. So you cut out the whole of the reggae segment of the party, you know. That's what the reggae artists them are suffer and then afraid to talk to some of them for dead for hungry to still, you know. Cause when we attack them not talk. You think Luciana can't sing again? Luciana still can sing and him still a sing, but him can't get no hit. Him can't get no hit because them not play. This pace not they ever play the song them. You understand what I'm saying? So the people them don't have option. Alright. It's like how you have JPS, brother. Zin, it's like you have JPS. Or when JPS pay their bill, you're not nobody to argue with it, but you have to go just pay your bill. So, meatless, you can disagree, but remember, we just select, probably do something different. Me know what me talk about. When the lack of time, them start enforce the lack of time, reggae artists start suffer. Reggae artists start suffer. And I ask me, I ask you, I tell you. Them a stifle the culture. Them a cripple it. The threshold for music player was this. Now it's the yes sir. How much things can go through yes sir one time? How much things can go through yes sir one time? Some selector, alright, if I select them on a dance, see, if, alright, I'm going to show you, say, when I say I be a fucking dancer, I sing a lie on that thing. You have good artists out there with good music, but certain music take longer for bust than some. Reggae is not jump up like dancehall. You understand? Reggae is not jump up like dancehall. A different method for bust reggae than what bust dancehall. No, the dance used to have a space where people come early, come listen reggae, and by the time jump up start them down at them yard. No, once the people them reach a jump up after a play, because the selector after a jumble up and a shuffle up because the time I go done. By you start play, a police I go walk in, and the selector still have to play to make sure say him boss up the place and get our bookings. So him can sit down and fight to a Lucian a song when I get forward where a reggae and the people must are listening to that groove. Him don't want to do that. Him want to play 2 hot songs so the people them can say, yo, you know see, 20 I mash up the dance, you know see, Cassie I mash up the dance. So uno stifle the music. Uno stifle the music within a time thing. You can't put a time restraint on the factory of reggae and dancehall. When last one of them prominent reggae artists there have a reggae hit that me asking? When last? Somebody answer me. Somebody answer me. Once the lack of time come in and them start enforce it, reggae artists get mashed up. When last Bushman have a hit song? When last Highway have a hit song? When last Morgan Heritage have a hit song? Chronics them are mother and the Rasta, that's why they get couple hit. But when the original Rasta them there, when I run down on Insta and social media, them now the UE fans and them something there. How them are gonna get a hit if one drop not clear? Would I come tell me? Tell me. Alright. So the feel like say Chronics them alone and do music. Want to runkus on them youth them. Come back a pyramid them. The same Jesse Royal. The one of them youth wear the music. Then none of it song. Then get couple songs then none of it like a Chronics have. Because the dance too speedy. Because of the time restraint, the dance gets speedy. The juggling them too speedy. You can't get a good hit. You can't get a good rest of it. You can't get a good righteous hit because the dance time too limited, Virgin. Adjust the truth. Adjust the truth, dog. See that nobody's touring, which make it worse. When last year you were authentic reggae song, because someone don't know what reggae is, you know. Then nowadays some of them where computer build some rhythm where them say a reggae. See? I know reggae really, you know. Reggae live band and drum and bass and real singing, you know. Not DJ sing JB, real singing and strings attack and drummer kick and bass a play. Them the dance now have no time. Alright, Gaga. If on a certain selector like a me, or a matter and a links or some top selector will go in a dance prime time and drop some blood clot reggae. We not a new one to play neither. We not a new one to play. Are the original one them? Are the original one we have fair play? You understand? See Buju come out and I do him thing there and I project then now look on Buju song them. Can't know when they play them. The timing to play them not there. When Till Shiloh and them think they bust now we are on the place. Cause you know say at 2:30 when you go you hear some blood clot reggae. And by 3:30 a dance all time. And it juggle up and by 5 o'clock the dance right here now. Who have work gone. Yeah, the place cool. Me lip drive it through. Hold on, me see my lip palm. Hold on. Blood clot when I beat the back. Hold on. Hold on, make a look for my lip palm. I'm going to use some of this now. I see my lip palm, you know. Hold on. Hold on. Look better now. Look better now. All right. So as I may say now, somehow not go see it, and somehow not go ever understand what I say. This is my trade, and every selector can tell you this now. You see, because of all them squingle down the time, so it mash up reggae thing. It mash up reggae thing, dog. Mash it up, wicked. And that's the truth. Any selector with the pan alive, I can tell you.
So sometimes you're going to one party and you feel like you want to drop 2 new reggae, but because the groove is so slow and the groove is not with what it's going on, it's hard. It's hard, Regine. It's hard, and the reggae artists, them a feel it, dog. You understand? The reggae hard for bust. Dancehall song easier for bust than a reggae song, Reggie. You understand what I say? And I just the truth, Reggie. Andrew, the problem is, here Andrew not understand now. Mr. Holness, let me stop say Andrew, I not size up myself for that. Let me say Mr. Holness. See? What you not understanding? When you shut down the music completely, the era done them, the said era done them, where Uno give them the gun them. See? See? When you or your peers them supply these people with guns and the election is finished, Uno not really business with them. So the money done, the money spent out. Now, how the Dan are going to maintain him lifestyle and him bills and him shatter them? Him have to go keep 2 dance. See? So, when him keep 2 dance now, him secure say, no war and a violation not go on. Can him dance have to keep. Can him need money to maintain till election come 4 year time again. Now, when Uno make a dance now keep, the Dan fresh out, can't show him thugs them same fresh out. So him start think how me go get money. So remember say Jonathan have a wholesale around this. Jonathan a sell food every day. The community a buy from Jonathan every day. So the Dan and a bad mind, the Dan bad mind, you know, him not a choice. So him send one of them shoot, I go tell Jonathan, say Jonathan, here we go on Jonathan. We're gonna need a piece of food every week. Remember the dance now keep. Remember the artist now going at the area. No outside celebrity, no outside fans now coming at the area. Cannot now keep. Wrong, am I right? Am I wrong or right? Jonathan send her money the first week, send her money the second week, send her money the third week. The 4th week, a time for Jonathan pay him lease, fee place or him rent. Plus him pay school fee, plus film light bill I'm yard, plus all of these things in car goodly crash. So the money when he give the Dan not there. So I'm saying go tell the Dan said Dan not there this week. The Dan in him head. Listen to the Dan in him head. Feel like I style Jonathan, I style him. Cause him don't know what going on at Jonathan house. So him in him head I said Jonathan I take me for pussy. Oh me I go show Jonathan said me and a fussy cause the thugs them I wait for them look cut out of this week money. Cause them have baby mother too. And them have girl breed and them want desert clocks and mesh marina too. And them want buy 2 black for build up them place cause him a make dopey, him think I feel look good. So the Dan say, listen me, Jonathan I go around me thing, you know. Look how much people line up out of Jonathan shop. And Jonathan I got tell me not have our thing this week. Yo, I send a message to Jonathan. Go out there and fire 5 shot. Now shoot nobody, fire 5 shot. Shot I go out there and fire 5 shot. People here say shot fire out of Jonathan shop. The Dan and Jonathan have a discrepancy. You know what happen? People might find the next wholesale gun now, you know, because Jonathan plays compromise. Nobody no want to go out of Jonathan's shop and get gunshot. Because the Dan send go fire 5 shot out there. So Jonathan's sales start drop. So Jonathan worse to have no money to give the Dan now. But the Dan want the money. So Jonathan comes up and say, alright, Lord Clot, I don't want that, you know. I don't want that, you know. So here what me I go do. Send her money go get it done. Send her money go get it done. Him light cut off. Go in a bank account, pay back him light bill. Next week, remember the customer them a drift now cause shot fire on a Jonathan. So then go and run a Miss Ali, you know. Them not they run a Jonathan, but Miss Ali run a next one. But then Dan and attack run a next party. So the people them a go run a Miss Ali, you know, go by. So Miss Ali think more turn up now than Jonathan. So the Dan help mash up Jonathan business. Although a Jonathan him a look at food from. And him really don't know that Jonathan never have the money because him light bill and him daughter school fee and the car lick up where him fear fix. Won't even understand what I say. So when Jonathan ball again and say him not have it done again, because most of every Dan can read and write. And even if them can read and write, them badness cloud them natural judgment. Man say, oh, so Jonathan Chew no shoot nobody around there. Jonathan think a joke. Say him give your money last week and feel like him a rock with to sleep. Yo, cook cut short. Go around there and fire a shot in one of Jonathan work at them. See? Man, go around there. Fire a shot in one of Jonathan work at them. Jonathan say, yo, pussy, what you do? You don't know, so me and the Dan have an agreement. The boy know say, the Dan now want to see Jonathan neither. Can you go around? Bam! One shot in a Jonathan, Jonathan dead. Somebody say, you done them broke. Obviously, I go to European Gaza this come back. Here the done them I got broke. Because the politicians them are going to come around when they want to vote. Every 4-year election. So yes, the done them I got broke. You're absolutely correct. And that's why when they done them broke, the people in the community feel it. Because when the Dan could have spin him and keep 2 dance, keep 2 stage show, intimidate 2 artists, and them come sing and the Dan sell whole heap of liquor and get 2 sponsors from Tank Well or 2 little place, cement factory and eat a food. The same government will give the Dan them the gun. Say no party can keep. No party can keep. So you left the Dan with the mindset of getting free money and have this gun here pan the people. While you in your big house with 20 police are guarding and your family and you know answer the Dan phone. So the Dan now have no other choice but to turn upon the same people them. We turn him in a Dan. So when you get up and have the audacity to come say the lyrics we dancehall put out cast the rise in crime, take blame politicians, take blame say uno create the environment where the DJ them a sing about, then we will take blame for the lyrics. But we can't come through it word upon lyrics. When we not talk about the importation of gun and the mindset want to set up the youth against the next youth and I want to run a party around the next one, they run a party and cause community enemies and murder and mayhem. Talk about that.